The Young and the Restless spoilers show that Sally Spectra may have just thrown Theo Vanderway under the bus to Jack Abbott. Supposedly, Sally and Theo were going to work together to get what they wanted. However, Sally is ruthless and may have just destroyed those plans. She got the information she needed from Kyle Abbott about who got the job at Fenmore's and didn't need Theo anymore. Though she acted like everything was cool, she ran off to tell Jack about Theo's plans and how he wanted her to spy on him. The Young and the Restless spoilers, all part of the plan? Savage Sally throws Theo under the bus. Now this could also be part of the plan, right? Maybe she's trying to do this to try to get Jack to open up about his plans for dealing with Theo, or if he even has any plans so she can tell Theo. Now, Theo would still get thrown under the bus, but at least he'd know what Jack and Kyle have planned. I actually really liked it, and I love this Sally as compared to the person she became on The Bold and the Beautiful. More savage Sally and less pathetic, pity party Sally. What do you think? Is this part of the plan, or is Sally trying to get rid of Theo? Let us know in the comments below. Sally ran into Kyle at the society. She thanked him for suggesting she approach Jack about the job at Jabbit Collective. Kyle said he had no idea Sally had any intentions of running the division. Sally bragged that she always shot for the stars and had made her own objectives known to Jack. Kyle explained that Laura had already chosen Summer, though Summer hadn't yet officially accepted the offer. Kyle acknowledged Sally's extensive experience and noted that Summer had poured her heart and soul into Jabbit Collective and was the right choice to lead the company into the future. Sally mentioned Kyle and Summer's recent engagement. Kyle said he didn't feel he knew Sally well enough to discuss it with her, pointing out that she seemed to be using every angle to her advantage. Sally insisted she hadn't intended to make trouble and was instead striving to make her own way. Kyle suggested Sally forget about Jabbit and Jabbit Collective and seek opportunities to make her mark at Fenmore's. Sally thanked Kyle for the advice before he left. Sally waited impatiently and told Theo he was late when he entered, accusing him of purposely avoiding her. Sally expressed frustration that Theo had failed to find out who Lorne had wanted in charge of Jabbit Collective, ruining her intentions to take that person out of the running. Sally said she found out from Kyle and wondered if Theo had remained mum out of his allegiance to his ex. Theo insisted he'd owed nothing to Summer and noted that whether Summer or Kyle were apart, they always remained a little bit in love with each other.